It's a couple niggas like I pray like again. Couple bitch niggas still alive, supposed to be dead. A lot of niggas turn killer that ain't never kill shit. Been up to chop and get the blowin' like a silver van. Catch a op and turn it to a sad day on Instagram. 762s hit his ass so fast he ain't know he was dead. A lot of niggas was, but I wasn't nervous on my first drill. Take a nigga life from him and put that shit in God's hands.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Dat Boy Menace. Make sure you follow me on all my social media at Dat Boy Menace. That's DATBOIMENACE. To stay updated with the truck and what I'm doing. I'm gonna be changing out the wheel hubs, taking my sway bar off. Gonna be powder coating the sway bar brackets. We're on the road to 1K. Really means a lot. And again, thank you guys for showing all the support that you've been showing. Views is going crazy right now. I'm excited to bring more content. And yeah, man, y'all just support me through, man, and it's only gonna go up from here. All right, so now I'm finna show y'all what we got done to the truck so far. I new sway bar bushings and new sway bar links, and they're red to match the color of the powder, and it's gonna look overall more clean. And the brackets that hold on the sway bar bushings, I'm getting that powder coated red since the bushing is red. So yeah, that's gonna look clean. I was asking about the wheel covers. The wheel covers are a XXL off Amazon. I got mine in black, but they got different colors. They fit snug on the wheel. You can even pull at the bottom to make it tighter, and it don't go nowhere. It literally don't go nowhere. Once you get it stretched over the wheel, and look, it cuffs the whole wheel. And then, yeah, man. But they don't go nowhere. I promise you, they don't go nowhere. This is me pulling that. It's not going nowhere. I like it. Had a lot of people tell me they got these same exact ones, but it don't fit their tires. I don't understand why. I don't have the answer. But recheck if you bought the right size. These are XXL. And also, I got another order of CruzinWitMel's hard road high intensity. A Davis custom gonna be installing these on a truck. Things are bright, man. I love them. But yeah, I'm gonna pick you guys back up whenever we get to B-Rads. Shoe guy got me being his pit crew today. So yeah, and then B-Rad, he crippled, pulled his weight too. So yeah, but I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on. This is shoe guy lift. My boy's gonna go with a 10 to 12 bulletproof. He's got some pressure coming, y'all. See Black China in the cut. Got some fans coming for her too. More powder. We're gonna fix the angles and all of that. And got some color matching coming. Everything. But yeah, man. That's what we got going on.
Yeah, foot broke, ankle's broke, but it's alright. I'm gonna try to get things done, you know. But should be laying down with the foot up and probably some crutches and a boot for about 12 weeks, but I ain't got time for that shit. This shit happened yesterday, so you know. We're getting by, so hopefully the swelling goes down and we're good to go. But
not married though, cause he know he got help around the shop, so.
they've been greased real good, as you can tell. Look, get real close to this. 3 bolts playing double jeopardy.
Y'all do this shit right, man. At the end of the day, bro, these shits is on public roadway. Yeah, man, we finna roll this thing out now and go from there, really.
As y'all know, just Barbie girl type shit. A lot of problems going on with this lift. Just a lot of shit that I would not do or I would not put on a customer's vehicle just due to the fact of a lot of missing bolts. Double space, 3 bolt mechanism type shit they got going on. That's not gonna fly. These bushings, as you see, I mean, metal on metal, that shit's not acceptable. That's how you're supposed to grease them. It's got spray paint in the holes. They've never been greased, nor, if you know what you're doing, you don't put the fitting on the outside where you couldn't even get a grease gun. A lot of these parts, we ain't gonna tell you the colors, but we are gonna tell you some of these parts are gonna get chrome dipped. Anybody needing chrome in the near future, if you do have color and want to change it up, go chrome, let us know. Offering chrome plating, not chrome powder, chrome dip, 24 karat gold, any type of plating you want. Not the cheapest, but a lot of people have asked me, do you do chrome plating? We didn't get set up with chrome plating. Now, if that's something y'all want in the future, y'all let us know. We'll be happy to change your color up and go, you know, with more shiny color. There's a lot of people that have chrome, want to be up there with the big boys. I'm going to be offering that, so y'all be looking forward to that on this build and all the other future builds.
Get at Davis Custom for anything, man. Literally anything. Chrome, lift, everything, man.
Bro!
What?
Fuck?
What are you just now seeing,
Dude,
peon?
the fucking ball joint ain't even all the way in. I know. Wait, hell no. Did you notice that shit?
What?
The ball joint ain't even pressed in.
On the lower?
Yeah. What the fuck?
Yeah, bro.
It's an ankle, bitch.
What's up, guys? Yeah, y'all already know what it is. It is June 24th, and today's the show day for Lindsey Tire. If y'all not following Lindsey Tire, make sure y'all hit them up. They got good prices on wheel, floating center caps, everything. 26 by 16 reps, everything. They got whole 9 yards. This is their first show that they're throwing. They actually told me about the show, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna definitely pop out. Right now, cleaning up Black China. I want to thank everybody that helped me put this together. Davis Custom, big shout out to Davis Custom. They really did their thing with this, and they still got plenty more to do. Shout out to Glossy Decal. She got my new stickers in within the same week of making them and shipping them out. They got here before the show. Shout out to Lindsey Tire for the KG1s. Gotta get them polished again, man. North Carolina, it rains, it rains, it rains, it rains, it pours, it pours. As y'all may know, I got the wheel covers in that same very fucking night when I went to go pick up my truck. It had already rained. Next morning, the wheel covers finally came. It was already too late. Already got rained on, got water spots all over them. Needs to be repolished again. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna pick you back up whenever we get to B-Rad. Tahoe on the drop. Got Silverado golf cart. So we done made it to the show, and man, it is packed. Like, there's a lot of trucks out here, man. There go my boy with his truck on the back.
Big time, seats in the big body, recline. New body, she fine. Little bitch ain't perfect, but she mine. Blue honey's pink fit.
Y'all shit, man. We done popped out. Shit. We out here, y'all. That boy bringing a crowd. Hey, he brought the crowd. Y'all see, man. We done got it set up. Slide it. Slide it.
only focus on that thing. Yes, that's what we do.
This bitch is on. Yeah, my boy. Yo, pop the fuck out.
I just don't.
Big E. Damn! Who is this? Hey, look like DK powder coated that. I don't know though.
They definitely did.
Y'all, this is the rear axle that B-Rad powder coated. Look clean, man. Oh yeah, I see him. Uh-oh. They talk about to get a new setup. Alright, y'all, so show lit. Everybody done popped out, man. And hold on, let me show y'all my sway bar real quick.
Paint corrections, basically anything, you know, you can.
I got this thing right, posted. Got our tent. Got the shirt. Everything, we posted, man. Got a shot for the camera. Yeah.
On that field was a jockey, but I had been jumped in that field before Cleats and a honey. These niggas too pussy to try me, bumping their guns on the neck like they don't know where I be. Hey, get it right. I'm finna push in. Hey, see, I'm banging grip like a hossy. I feel like good boys in the ice on my chain with the Johnny.
Big Lena.
From me to phone, deal, whoa, feeling, whoa, model, whoa, just a dick, whoa, plug, whoa, Draco, whoa, now he can't. Hey, bitch, I'm poppin' like going on a jet. Look like nigga reach for my chain and get hit with this metal. And if I shit, we on the new levels. I put triple D on my back and my foot on the.
If I get one.
Alright, y'all, so we just got top 50. I mean, not top 50, goddamn. I'm talking about some, alright, y'all, we just got top 50. Woo! What's up, guys? So, it is the next day after the show. And the show was lit overall. Big shout out to Lindsey Tire for throwing the show. It was their first show ever, man. They said over 400 trucks enter the show. With that being said, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias, everything. Follow me, man, so you can stay updated with the channel, with the truck, everything, man. Link to all my social media will be in the description. More bangers on the way, and with that being said, guys, I'll catch y'all on the next video.
I hear you, JC.
It's a couple niggas like I pray like again. Couple bitch niggas still alive, pussy be dead. A lot of niggas turn killer that ain't never kill shit. Been up the chop and get the blowing like a cellophane. Catch a op and turn it to a sad day on Instagram. 762s hit his ass so fast he ain't know he was dead. A lot of niggas was, but I wasn't nervous on my first drill. Take a nigga life from him and put that shit in God's hands.